Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix missing icon in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to right click on your desktop and go to the view and make sure that this option is checked, which is show desktop icon. So click over there, and after that, as you can see, it is checked over there. So still if it is not showing over there, then just go to your start menu and click on this setting button over there, and now you have to go to the personalization. Okay, so here it is, and now you have to click on themes, and on the right side panel you will get a themes option. So you have to scroll down, and you will get like option like desktop icon settings. Now you have to check all these options over there which you want to show in your desktop, and after that click on apply, then okay. Now as you can see, all the icon is showing over there. So I hope this small trick will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.